Dom here from Essential RC, thanks for tuning in again. So you will remember the HobbyKing Swiss Cub, J3 Cub I think, that we flew a while back. A lot of fun. The great thing with this is that it has this very clear kind of perspex canopy that they put in here specifically for really clear FPV. So I did it line of sight without FPV originally, but now I've put Bob in here. Bob, you remember Bob from the A10 that I flew FPV a while back? So I took him out this morning and I've put him in, and we'll see how it flies FPV. Jay's on camera. James is observing and spotting.
He's our traffic cone today.
And a very nice looking traffic cone he is. All right, so I'll plug it in and then we'll get going.
Audio's yours.
Thank you. Oh God, keep an eye on me. So there's a little bit of reflection, but it's not too bad.
One of the better in canopy cameras?
Yeah, well, definitely.
But it's a nice day.
Easily the best, and it would be better if it was a blue sky day. Unfortunately, I've only got panning set up. But it's all right. And just like the RV8 the big RV8 that I was flying last week, it's just a nice, pleasant experience.
You want to go up as high as you can, Dom?
Yeah, it's nice.
It looks super chilled. That's
Super
like a
chilled.
summer's evening model, that is.
Is he down?
Yeah.
Yeah. He's on the patch. Oh no, he's not on the patch.
Hi!
Hello.
Hiya! Hiya! Let's get a nice view. We'll tell you when you're going to go in the cloud.
Oh, I'm not going that high.
Oh, go on.
Go on. As long as we can see you, it's legal. You're about, what, 250, 300 feet?
Yeah.
I mean, I could fly that line of sight still comfortably.
Yeah. I think you'd be surprised that could be nearer 400, you know. It's not much.
Go as high as you like then.
Yeah, and just keep going in that direction.
Just keep heading in that direction, yeah.
As long as you just keep an eye on me.
Yeah. You could be double that.
You could be double that height and I'd still comfortably fly it, line of sight.
You can get to nearly over 1,000 feet easy and still be line of sight on a day like today.
Now climb.
And now climb and keep going.
You guys are mad.
Yeah, not that high.
You just feels like I am.
You're not.
I've been climbing forever.
No, you can easily fly that line of sight.
Yeah. You could be double that yet still. Up you go on. Get some nice viewer shots.
You get up there with your drone in about 4 seconds.
I would, yeah, 4 seconds I'd be over.
I'd say that's 600-700.
Yeah, you're about 700 feet now, aren't you?
Yeah.
Where's the patch?
But the directly
Off
below
your
you.
left wing.
Yeah.
There it is.
See it?
It's going to put the wings
Right
up at
off.
speed. That was one hell of a dive.
Mad, isn't it? How quickly you lose the height. Hear that? Struts.
Getting your major flutter on all control surfaces.
Off, by the way.
Huh?
This dude's just taken off.
Is he?
Get a nice approach from there.
20 feet. 15 feet. 10 foot. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Beautiful.
Oh, am I on my nose?
Yeah, unfortunately.
Oh. Phew.
Rubbish!
That felt like a perfect descent to me. It was pretty good.
He just nosed over
How's that, Dom?
That was nice. I think the camera could have been a little bit higher. Whatever the front of the display was kind of obscuring some of the view, but I don't know. It felt like I was at 5,000 feet. Good. I can't get enough of FPV in these fixed wing models. It's just so much fun. I have to say that I can probably improve that a lot more. Put in tilt and panning as well to make it, you know, better. Add the head tracking, which you're gonna create a module for soon, right? And then it'll be a lot better. But it works. It's of all the models that we've tried, Jay, that has a clear canopy that you can actually see through with the FPV camera. With all the other things we do, the glass that they provide is horrible, and it really obscures it.
Hats off to HobbyKing, really.
Yeah, hats off to HobbyKing. Well done to HobbyKing for that. So thanks for watching this one. That was the Swiss J3 Cub. Look it up. I'll put the link in the video description and the pinned comment if you want to fly it line of sight or FPV. But it can be done. It can be flown FPV. It's a lot of fun. So thanks for watching this. You might want to subscribe and click the bell icon for notifications of our future uploads and live streams. If you like this one, give us a thumbs up as well. It'd be really good. Otherwise, thanks to Jay on camera. Thanks to the traffic cone on my left over here. And we'll see you next time.
Thanks to Bob.
Hey?
Thanks to Bob.
Thanks to Bob. Great job, Bob. See you soon. Bye.
There it is. It.
Let's get the wings
Flying
up at
off.
speed. That was one hell of a dive.
Mad, isn't it? How quickly you lose the height. Hear that? Struts.
Getting your major flutter on all control surfaces.